Good morning. I am going to start the day with some mango oatmeal. This is something I tried for the first time the other day and it was really tasty, so I thought I'd share it with you. I'm just using a handful of mango chunks. These are frozen mango chunks that I got at Walmart. And I've got my oatmeal here. I made 1.5 dry cups of oatmeal. I'm gonna sprinkle a bit of this extra concentrated stevia powder. Wow, that's a lot. And since the mango chunks are frozen, it does cool down the oatmeal a bit, and I want it to be a warm breakfast. So I've warmed up 3/4 of a cup of unsweetened soy milk on the stovetop, and I'm just pouring that on top now. Something else that would be really good here is half of a sliced banana. I'm actually gonna go and get that right now because I've got lots of bananas to eat up. So oatmeal and smoothies are both my go-to breakfast options, and it's amazing how creative you can really get with them. So many different flavors that you can add and just different creations to try to see what you like best. And I put the mango chunks in first at the bottom just so that they get a little bit melted. And you know that one of my favorite things about following a low calorie density way of eating is that you get to enjoy these delicious, filling, large bowls of food. You don't even have to think about calories. All right, for lunch, I am going to make something up as per usual. I got a couple of potatoes here, so I'm going to dice them up using this Chopper tool that I've been using a lot lately, as well as this entire onion. And I'm going to cook these on the stovetop with a splash of water until they are cooked. So usually about 10 to 12 minutes. And then at the end, I'm going to put in about 1/3 of a can of chickpeas. They are already cooked, so I'm just going to be warming them up for about a minute. And then I'm also going to eat these 2 Roma tomatoes and an avocado. I'm just gonna put these all on a plate and season them with soy sauce, ground cumin, and chili powder. I think it'll turn out quite well because I like all of these ingredients and all of these flavors. There goes my timer. Cumin and chili powder because I like things spicy. And there you have it. Very easy and filling, flavorful lunch. Time to eat. Honestly, I really enjoyed what I had for lunch, so I am just going to make another variation of that same dish with some other ingredients. I'm going to use a sweet potato and dice it up the same way. And I found that I had half of a red onion in my fridge, so I'm going to chop this up as well. And I'm gonna cook these together on the stovetop, just like I did with my lunch, with a splash of water. And I'm going to add in the rest of the chickpeas from the can of chickpeas that I opened for lunch. And I'm gonna steam up some of this kale that I just got yesterday. I'm really excited. I haven't had any dark leafy greens in a little while, and they're just super healthy, so I like to throw them in as often as possible. And I'm gonna dice up some cubes of this organic tofu, about 1/3 of this package. And to season the meal, I'm going to use some sea salt, chili powder, garlic powder, and lime juice. And you know I love my liquid smoke. It adds a hickory, smoky flavor to any dish, and I am a big fan. All right, I'm gonna get this started. I'll eat the rest of it when I finish this. Let's put some sea salt. And some more chili. You can also bake tofu in the oven, which I often do, but I decided this time to make it on the stovetop. Very tasty. All right, it is almost 7 p.m. and I am going to have a cup of tea. I've got 1 tea bag of Bengal spice tea, which is one of my favorites, and also a black tea bag in there as well. If you have a hard time getting to sleep at night, I don't recommend having black tea at night, but fortunately, I am someone who's always been able to fall asleep on the count of 3, so I'm lucky that way. And I'm gonna let that steep for a bit and then add in a little bit of unsweetened soy milk and then also some stevia. And as a snack, I'm gonna have an apple and a banana. Super easy snack. I think fruit just makes the best snack because it's healthy, full of fiber, and will fill you up when you want to snack. All right, thank you so much for watching. Be sure to thumbs up this video if you enjoyed it. Click subscribe if you're not yet subscribed to my channel, and I will see you in my next video. Bye-bye.